Honey here, back with another video. It's been a long time. I shouldn't have left you without a dope beat to step two.
Step two, step two, step two, step two. Baby girl.
It's been a while since I uploaded the video, but I wanted to end this year with sort of a recap of my favorite wigs. I feel like I need to take these glasses off because it's a glare, but I can't see. So y'all just gonna have to, you know, I can't, but you know what? Y'all gonna see this eyeshadow though. Y'all see this? Y'all see that? Y'all gonna get this eyeshadow because I didn't beat my face for nothing. So if I start squinting, it's because I can't see. I wanted to end this year off with a quick roundup of my top 5 favorite affordable wigs of 2020. Okay, these are the top tier, my favorite in my wig collection that I have been rocking all year long. Before we jump right into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you know when I upload a new video. I got some big plans for 2021 and you don't want to miss it. And of course, you guys can follow me over on Instagram at XOStephBell, where I'm normally posting every single day. So if you want to see more of this face, follow me on the gram. Okay, so we're gonna count down from 5. Number 5 is low-key not a wig, but it's actually a drawstring ponytail, but the style also comes in a half wig. So, and this is the Awa Curl drawstring ponytail. Number 5. She is my go-to, and she's in the bag now. She's getting her beauty sleep for the new year, but she's been through it. Honey. Okay, she has been through it. This is my go-to, but it's the Awa Curl style, and this is the drawstring ponytail, but it also comes in a half wig. It also comes in crochet hair, and it also comes in wefted weaving hair as well. This style is just my favorite. It matches my hair texture perfectly, and I don't even have to slick my edges down if I don't want to. If I really got to get up and go that quick, I can throw this on and be out. Okay, it still look good. Not looking crazy. Number 4 is HDL Milan. She's a banger, okay? She's giving Victoria's Secret bombshell. She's giving Kim K circa 2019. Kim K circa 2009. She's giving me voluminous. She's giving me soft glam. She's everything. I love this wig because it has a very nice lace parting, and it also has little baby hairs in the front so that you can blend it in a lot better with your natural hair, your forehead, your edges, however you want to do it. The hair texture is beautiful. It has great volume, great curl. I typically don't go for wigs that are already like pre-curled like that, but I actually really like this one. So this is my number 4, HDL Milan. Number 3, honey. Number 3. Number 3 is the wig that I'm wearing right now. She is HDL Savannah. Savannah, Georgia, honey. You know we a Georgia peach around here. No, we not. But I love this wig. I just got this recently, so I'm adding it to my list already, just solely off of how soft it is. And like, look at that. Look at that. And the curl, it's a nice loose curl. It's not too tight. Like, this is usually the style that I go for with wigs. It's not super curl tight, but it's still has some body yaddy to it. Okay, she giving body yaddy, and we love it. And I could keep doing this all day. She's giving me Beyonce. Like, I don't know, do y'all see it? So this is HDL Savannah. She's very similar in style to the last wig that I talked about, which is HDL Milan. They both have the same type of lace parting. They both have a little baby hair on the edges for you to slick down. And it's just overall a very nicely constructed unit. And like I said, the body yaddy, the texture, the shine, It's giving me everything. It's not too shiny, it doesn't look synthetic. We love that. So this is number 3, HDL Savannah. All right, y'all, we bringing it down to number 2. We down to the last 2. Next one, number 2 is nope, almost messed up. SD S2 Stage 2 Trixie. S2 Trixie. She is a unique one, y'all. She's detachable. Okay, that's the number one thing that I love about this wig is she is detachable. You can take out the back piece of this wig and you can switch it out for another color and change your style up completely. You can go from day to night, just switch out the back, put in something else before you go to the club, when the clubs open back up. If you even want to go to the club, I can't even imagine being in the club after all of this, but do you, I ain't judging. So I love being able to switch up the color in that way. That's super unique. I've never seen anything like that before. The other reason why this is my number 2 wig of 2020 is because of the hair texture. The hair looks like an expensive bundle of Brazilian body yaddy yaddy wave. She is soft, she's silky, she waves. Like, y'all, it just looks expensive. And we balling on a budget out here. Especially going into 2021, honey. You won't see me rocking no expensive bundles unless I get a blessing, which I'm counting on it. Amen. But until then, you're gonna see me in this beauty supply store wig. So I love that it gives a luxury look to a synthetic high fiber wig. Number one, this is my girl. Number 1, y'all, are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Cause number 1, she's 1. Okay, top 2 and she ain't 2, sweetheart. Okay, number 1. Eziel Cardi. Okay, look at. Can y'all see her? Look. I mean, I gotta put the pictures in of me in this wig because, baby, she's giving money. Okay, she's giving where the money reside, where the money reside, where the money reside. Okay, this wig. Yo, I already knew from the jump when I put this on. I didn't even have to put it on. I could tell from the box. Before I even put it on, I knew this was the one. The one. Eziel Cardi. This is a bob middle part wig. And we just gotta take a moment because the wig, she came and she did what needed to be done. In money green. In money green. Okay, the color is GT1B dark green that I'm wearing, but I want every other color that comes in this wig. Like, I will literally get every single color that comes in this wig, and there's a bunch of them. She is the number 1 wig of 2020. Again, super easy to put on. You don't have to worry about trying to blend lace and glue stuff down. No, just put her on and she's already ready. She's ready. You ain't gotta get ready. She's ready. Straight out the box. You just put her on and you just turn into a new person. You're a new woman. You're a boss woman. You're an HBIC when you put that wig on, okay? And that's on what? Mary Had a Little Lamb. So we're gonna run down these wigs one last time. Starting with number 5, we have the Awa Curl drawstring ponytail / half wig / crochet hair / weaving hair. So get all of that because she's bomb. If you want something quick that you can easily blend in with your hair, you don't have to do too much. The Awa Curl is that girl. Number 4 is HDL Milan. If you want to go with a little more volume, if you want a soft curl, nice little soft glam look, then she is your go-to. Number 3 is HDL Savannah, that fine thing from Georgia down south. She's cute, another grab and go wig. Number 2 is S2 Trixie. If you want to have a versatile look, if you want to be able to switch up your hair color, definitely check her out. If you've been trying to get your hands on some Brazilian body wave bundles, but you just don't want to spend that money just yet, she's the girl for you. You'll look like you just got a fresh Brazilian weave, just like that. All you gotta do is pop her on and go. And last but definitely not least, number 1 is Easy L Cardi. She's a baddie, she's a boss, she's about her business, and she will get it done. And that's that. Alright guys, those are my top 5 wigs of 2020. Go ahead and like this video if you see something that you liked. What was your go-to hairstyle in 2020? Leave a comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see y'all next year. Peace and love.